Let's start with the S&P 500. This is the index that follows the biggest 500 public companies in the USA, and the ETF that is constructed on it is the oldest ETF. The fund is often used as a benchmark that every other fund or portfolio is compared to. If you hear someone say the stock market did this or the stock market was up with X%, they most often talk about the S&P 500. At the time of recording this, the S&P 500 has the following portfolio construction. When it comes to sectors, the index is overweight technology, since these are the biggest companies currently in the market. After that, at almost equal weight, come the financial and healthcare sectors. Then we have consumer cyclical and communication at 10 and 9%, mainly because Amazon, Tesla, Meta, and Alphabet are in these two sectors. The holdings obviously change depending on when you are watching this, but currently they look like this. Microsoft is the top company, followed by Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and the others. The fund is pretty top-heavy, with the 10 biggest companies comprising 1/3 of it, despite the fact that there are 507 holdings currently. Why are there 507 companies in a fund that follows the top 500 companies? I have no idea. I know someone will ask me in the comments, but I don't. Now, there is a common misconception that when you invest in the S&P 500, you are diversified because you invest in 500 companies. As you see, that really isn't the case. You invest in a fund with 500 companies, but 1/3 of your money goes to 10 of them. Whether that's good or bad, we don't have time to discuss here, but it's always something to remember.